Meaning of hard up.
Hard up.
Hard up.
Hard up.
Hard up. The phrase hard up refers to a state of financial hardship where a person is struggling to make ends meet. It implies a lack of funds or resources, often due to unexpected expenses or a decrease in income. Being hard up can cause a great deal of stress and anxiety for individuals and families, and may result in having to make difficult choices about how to spend money. In extreme cases, it can lead to homelessness, hunger, and other serious problems. Overall, being hard up is a challenging and often difficult situation to be in.